Hello guys, Ramadan Kareem. I'm here with a very requested video that is my signature cut crease look. Today I'm just gonna show the eye look, so let's get into the video. So first of all, I'm gonna take a concealer palette and use a white concealer to prime my eyes. You can use any light shade concealer as well. After that, it's a must to set the concealer with some loose powder or translucent powder. I'm gonna use a powder puff. You guys can use a brush as well. By the way guys, I did my base off camera. After we are done setting the eyelid, we'll take a brush that is not too fluffy and take a light brown shade. We'll start from the edge of the eyelid and go through the crease. This is a very important step and be patient while doing this. You can see how I'm smudging this out all over my eyelid. After we're done, you're gonna take a darker shade and again start from the edge and apply this all over the crease. I'm also dragging a bit on the outer corner of my lid. Now we are going to take a fluffy brush and a lighter shade to smoke everything out so that there is no harsh line. Now it's time to do the cut crease, and for this we need a flat brush. Make sure the brush is not too big. Now you need a light shade concealer and follow the same process I'm showing in the video. Today I'm gonna show half cut crease. For that, we need to draw a vertical line on the middle of our eyelid. And after that, look upside to mark the crease line. Now, I'm just gonna drag the concealer to the inner corner of my eye. Take your time and cut the crease properly because this is the main attraction of our look. Don't forget to set the concealer with a powder or any eyeshadow. Here, I'm gonna use a white eyeshadow to set my concealer. And again, we are gonna take a light brown shade, and as you can see, the harsh lines are very visible here. We are gonna smudge this out and smoke this out as much as we can. After we are done smudging this out, we'll use a concealer and a flat brush to clean up the mess. You can see how I'm doing this, just follow the process. This makes your eye look so clean, you can already see the difference. Now I'll do the same thing on the other eye, and here I'm back. Now it's time to apply some glitter on the lid. Don't apply the glitter glue directly on your eye. Use your fingertips instead. Apply the glue and the glitter as soon as possible, otherwise the glue will dry up. Today I'm gonna use a silver glitter as my outfit is white, but you guys can use any glitter matching your outfit. We will just apply the glitter on the part where we use the concealer, not all over the lid. So yes, we are done applying the glitter. Now it's time for the lower lash line. For this, we need a small brush and a dark brown shade. You guys can see how I'm applying this all over my lower lash line. I did the same to the other eye, and now it's time for the white kajal. I'll use the back of a brush and the gel eyeliner and apply this on my lower lash line. I really love this step because it makes my eye look way bigger. So yeah, we are almost done, and now it's time to use eyeliner. I'm gonna use a liquid eyeliner. It is Lakme waterproof eyeliner, and trust me, it's very handy. And personally, I don't like using eyeliner to the inner corner of my eyes, but if you guys like it, you can definitely do that. Okay, so as I'm wearing a white sari today, so I'm gonna use a white eyeliner just beneath my wing. And again, you can match this color with your outfit. After we're done with this, we will use highlighter in the inner corner of our eyes. I'm using white highlighter. You can use golden as well. Now I just applied some extra highlighter on my nose. Now I'm cleaning up my brows with some concealer and used a bit highlighter on the brow bones. Now I'm giving the finishing touch by applying more blush. I had already applied blush before, but never mind. And yes, how can I skip the highlighter part? So I'm highlighting my cheekbones. Don't forget to apply some mascara on the upper lashes and the lower lashes as well. So finally, the last step of our eye look, that is fake lashes. So this is how I applied the lashes, and just look at the difference. I just need a bit more mascara to set the fake lashes. Okay, so guys, I used a little amount of pressed glitter here that is silver color. You guys can skip this part unless you are attending any special function. Applied the lipstick off camera, and now it's time for setting spray. Okay, after drying up the setting spray, I'm gonna use a lip oil. Trust me guys, this is going to be the game changer. Okay, so makeup done, now let's get dressed. So yes guys, this is the final look. I tried my best to show everything in details, but still, if you don't get anything, then please comment down below. I'll help you out. And please let me know if you guys liked it or not. And guys, you can go for this makeup look with any outfit. So try this out in this Eid and don't forget to drop the pictures. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da!